These marble music videos are going viral all over the internet, especially on YouTube. They're incredibly satisfying to watch, and people can't get enough of them. A faceless YouTube channel has gained over 5 million subscribers with just a few videos and is making thousands of dollars each month. I've also noticed other similar channels growing quickly with these types of videos. Their video views are unbelievable, with millions of views on each one. For example, 417 million, 349 million, 231 million, and more. It's just amazing. If you can create similar videos, there's a high chance you'll go viral and start earning money too. Let's check out their most popular music video. Professionals use software like After Effects and Blender to make similar videos, but it usually takes them 3 to 5 days to complete one. However, in this video, I will show you how to create high-quality videos using just your mobile phone in only 5 minutes. Let's take a look at the video I made using the same music track. I changed the music to avoid copyright issues, and I will show you exactly how to do that. Here's their music, and here's mine. I just switched the sound and I can create even more variations like this. I've spent hours watching videos on YouTube to learn these techniques, but I couldn't find a complete guide. In this video, I'm going to share everything I learned after spending 2 days on this. My goal is to make sure you won't need to watch any other videos after this. So let's get started. We'll divide this video into 2 parts. In the first part, we'll learn how to create the video. First, download the game called Beat Bounce from the App Store. If you're an Android user, you can find the same app on the Play Store. I'll open the app on my iPhone to show you. When you open the app, you'll see the main interface with different game levels and various music tracks. You can start playing any of these levels, but this isn't where we'll make the video. So click here to go back to the home page. Now click on user levels and you'll see a page with a range of pre-made levels. Each level has different music that you can record and use in your videos. Now you have 2 options. You can create your video using one of these pre-made music tracks, or you can use your custom music. First, let me show you how to make a video with these pre-made music tracks and games. Click on one of the tracks and you'll see this page. If you're an Android user, you might need to download a screen recorder. If you're using an iPhone, you don't need to download anything because iPhones have a built-in screen recorder. Just make sure to give permission to record your screen. Before starting the game, turn on record mode. This removes the game controls and lets you record just the animation. Now, click here to start recording the video. With record mode on, the game will automatically play to the music beats, so you don't have to play the game. Just wait until it's done. Remember that while recording, you won't hear any music, but the sound is being recorded. Right now, I'm recording the game, and I can't hear any sound or music beats. I'll show you the result once it's finished. The recording is done automatically. Let's open the gallery and turn on the sound. Here's the music result. It looks great. Since we're using the free version, there's a watermark at the start of the video. Don't worry, I'll show you how to remove it without affecting the video or sound quality. Now I'll show you how to create your own animation with custom music and design. First, click on user levels, then choose level editor and you'll see this page. I've already created many projects with different music. If you don't have music downloaded but want to make a custom animation video, click here to choose from these music tracks. You'll be taken to a page where you can control and adjust everything. I've downloaded some music, so I'll use that. Go back and click on Create New next. Upload your audio file. I'll upload this music I downloaded from YouTube. Since the app only supports MIDI files, we need to convert the MP3 file to a MIDI file. You can use any file converter for this. I'm using this one, which you can find in the video description. Upload your MP3 file, and it will convert it to a MIDI file in a few seconds. Download the MIDI file now. Click on Import MIDI file, select the file, and click Next, enter a name and click Next here. You can change the music sound. Click here to choose from different options and find the best one for your music. Once you find one you like, click Save and then OK. Now, you can customize everything to make a unique animation video. First, change the ball by clicking here to select from different options. I think this one looks good. Click on lighting to change the environment and particle to adjust the bounce animation style. I think this one works well. Click on the next object button several times until it reaches 100%. Each click creates a new object based on the music beats. Once it's 100% complete, long press this icon to go back to the first object. Preview the video by clicking here Music. If you want to change the color of the objects, you can adjust it using these settings. To add your channel name to the video, click the plus icon. Select text and type your name. You can add your name in different places. Our level customization is almost done. Click Publish and you'll see a page with all your projects listed. Our level is now 100% complete, and we can record the video. Click Play to start. Make sure to turn on record mode. The game will automatically record the video. Let's open the video from my music gallery. It looks great. Since there's a watermark at the beginning of the video, we need to remove it. So next, we'll edit the video using the CapCut app, which is free and available on all devices. Import the video, then drag it into the timeline. Cut the first part of the video by trimming it. Make sure the watermark isn't visible, and you can adjust the starting point of the video to wherever you want. I recommend starting with the most catchy part of the music to make it more appealing to viewers and grab their attention in the first 1 to 3 seconds. This will help them quickly recognize the song. So here's the final result. It's best to use trending sounds on TikTok and Instagram Reels to keep up with the trends and increase the chances of your videos going viral every time you upload. Remember, success on YouTube needs consistency, it won't happen overnight. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, make sure to support the channel. You can watch this video to learn about a new niche.